aking hiling. Ano pa ba ang dapat kong gawin? Sana'y kahit minsan mapansin mo rin. Hanggang kailan ako magtitiis? Kailan ka nga ba darating? Pag-ibig lang naman aking hiling. Kay tagal na naghintay, ngayon wala pa rin. Pag-ibig lang naman ang tangi kong hiling. Kay tagal na naghintay, ngayon wala pa rin. Pag-ibig lang naman aking hiling. Pag-ibig lang naman aking
Oh, well, you done me and you bet I felt it. I tried to beat you, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks, and now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool done run out, I'll be giving it my bestest, and nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win some or learn some. I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Well, open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and damn, you're free. Look into your heart and you'll find love, love, love. Listen to the music of the moment, maybe sing with me a la peaceful melody. It's your God-forsaken right to be loved, 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 loved. So I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need to complicate. Our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours.